So guys, welcome back with another tutorial. So today in this tutorial we will learn a professional classic logo design. So it's a two short tutorial. Don't skip it and try to make it on. First of all, select the image size as you need it. Okay, and click on OK. Delete the text, and then I will give a link in description below for this leaf PNG, so it will be easy for you to make it. So as I added this, okay, so after that you can make a copy of this layer also and use a crop option to turn right side like this, and also adjust with the center of this like this, and add the both layer. Okay, after that use a circle shape in black color, and then make it large as the end of the leaf. Okay guys, the end of the leaf, and then use it as center. Yeah, first of all use it as center, and then also use relative position for leaf, and it's now in center. So make both them in lock and use a copy of again the leaf, both leaf in black in white color. Okay, in white color. Okay, and also use a relative position. Let's see how I'm making. Okay guys, and then which one we have copy from the leaf color white, use a stroke. Okay guys, use a stroke. Wait, literally I will less the opacity to see the difference in the sun and in the leaf. Is it looking bad or not? Okay guys, it's like this it will look. So make the opacity large, increase again, and then add the white leaf and black circle layer. Okay, as I added, and then use eraser color, it will be like this. Okay guys, and then use a shape, make it small, and then select black color. Okay guys, and add the both layer, black and the sun layer, so it will be like this. So after that adjust bit little leaf position because it's not looking properly well. Let's see, it's like this looking. So after that both layer, lock them both layer, and then choose this shape. Okay guys, right on black. So actually we not need to work on the leaf and sun layer, so we will make them be height to work easily, clear and easily. So as we have hide it, so after that use a shape to just need this part. Okay guys, and add both layer, and then use eraser color like this. Okay, and then use a black color. Okay, because the last one pick color is also black, so we will use it also black to make it be in PNG transparent. So it's like this. Well guys, and now we will rotate it like this. You can make the size also. So now rehide on the last two layers. Okay guys, and keep them locked, because if you will work on it, so it will not move easily, so you can work on it so clearly and well. Okay guys, now again it's too much looking it will literally take twice time, so kindly be patient and just follow it how I'm doing it. Okay, it's like this. Now locate this and again make a copy of sometime copy make this and then add back to back this layer. Just see what I'm doing right now. You will think that now he will make all of these like this. So now I'm here using a shortcut. Let's see now. Just let me to add some effects of it. Okay guys, and lock it also this, and then yeah guys, it can be little tip twice times, sorry for it. I wasn't made a PNG of that because something must you will know to learn. So if I will provide you a PNG of everything, so what will you learn? So in this case I not made it a PNG of this. So guys, it's use a relative position, make it in small in size and keep it down and literally there then down. As you can see it's look like this. So guys, now combine the 4 layer of this arrow, okay, and make that lock, make it lock, and then use a PNG copy, and then you can use this. So let's see guys, it's so easy to make it. I thought you don't skip the video, I will use here shortcut. So the shortcut is this. As you can see I'm making so quickly, see guys, okay, and then here we will remove one arrow because it's we no need. So this one so lock them firstly and then use eraser, and which one, I think this, wait, yes, this. So click on tick and it's done right now. So guys, after that combine the all arrow layers with a sun layer, okay, it will like this, and then add the color, sun color. It's also good, and this is also good. I think we will literally make them be light. Yeah, it's now well. So after that use green color for leaf, it's also good, and I think this color will be match on it. Yeah, great. So lock it also and combine both layer because we have finished our work on this both layer. So combine it and then make it small in size, so you will work well on pixelLab because the screen is small. So we will need to make it small in size, this both layers, okay, and make them in center to use a relative position, okay, and then again literally make it down and then use relative position and then use it lock. So after that we will use again circle and then we will make it large and then like this. Wait, you will think now what I'm doing, but something to add, so it will be look up professionally like this. Okay guys, as you can see I'm doing this. Let's see, make it opacity make it opacity, increase it again, okay, and then use black color for this, dark black, yes, and lock it also and make a copy of this again and make it small in size, okay guys, and then as you will see now make it in white color, and then we no need to make it large inside. No, sorry, we want to make a thin layer of circle, so use it in center. Okay, this is done. Sorry, it's no need, wrong press. After that, lock it also, and again use a shape for it. Okay guys, it's like this, and then combine both three layers, and use eraser color. It's like this. Okay guys, and then make it bring it to the downside of leaf, so it will be like this. Okay, after that use blue color for it. It's like a simple to sky, sun above the sky, sun below the sky. Use a color for it, blue color. Where did you go on? Yeah, this blue color. As it is done now, so you can also combine it both of these two layers, sorry, and then make it small in size. Okay, and now you can write it here, anything, what you want to write, like your company name. So I will write here a company name, not anything has I will need the company name. Okay guys, here I have write it company name, and I will use a font. I will provide it also for you if you want to need it, so comment to me, I will provide it to you. This is looking really nice. If you want to use another font, so wait, let's check it. Guys, video is going too much lengthy, so I'm sorry for it, but I must want to winter. I think this is, what do you think? This is also really looking awesome. So guys, use also this color for it. Now guys, if you want to make a layer of it, so like this, I think we must add a layer. Add a layer, I think. Yeah, let's add it, not taking much time. 2 lines, sorry, not layer. Make a radius. Yeah, it's important. If you not use it, so it will look like not good. And advance, use it in blue color, so again and again, what will you do? Guys, it's going making, sorry for taking too much time. Also, I must want to teach you something better than before, so kindly stay connected with me and learn. So guys, wait, literally I use center position. Okay, wait. Now is it right? It right size. It's use it, and now it's combine that these 3 layers, sorry. And as it is done now, so wait, unlock this layer and use it in center position as it is done right now. So okay, and add this both layer also. Okay guys, so come to literally for color adjacent, increase, I think in sorry, it is done right now. So use a transparent and make it save in high, very high, so it will in good quality. Guys, first of all, I want to tell you that for this ℎ𝑜𝑡𝑜-𝑝𝑦 you will need internet connection, and then you can do work on it. So here in this ℎ𝑜𝑡𝑜-𝑝𝑦 we will use a smart object tool for our last previous logo. So how I'm using it now, you will see right now. And for this ℎ𝑜𝑡𝑜-𝑝𝑦 for smart object we will must need PDF file, and I will also add a PDF file for you in description below, so you can download it from my description below easily. So let's start it. Click on file and then click on open object, and then choose your file, PDF file, sorry, yeah. Has and one thing, I want also tell you that one thing, it will literally take a twice time, so I will make a duration of this video literally fast. Okay, so use a layer and go down and smart object as you can see here, and then click on open. It will be like this. So when it is done, so again you may go to open and place. Okay guys, and then when you open a user, click on file and then go to pixelLab folder, pictures, and then pixelLab. There's this logo we have made it last time, so now it's going here, and then you can adjust it. Okay guys, and when you adjust it, so like this, and now again we will delete our previous one logo. Click on this, delete it. Okay, and then go, sorry guys, and then use on file and also use save smart object. Okay, and now it will take a literally time, so I'm wanna tell you that wait for it. I want to make a duration of this video literally fast, do not lengthy this tutorial. So guys, smart object is updated right now, so also literally wait for it. Again, sorry for waiting. Without wait we cannot do anything, so kindly literally wait. If you will left the tutorial, so you will not understand well when it updates. So let's see guys, our smart object is done right now. And as I want to say something here, you can use here a multiply and brown color, etc. So it will like this. So let's see here, this is something changing in it, so you can use it also, some features in it. You can see guys here, see texture. You may save it in PDF file as you want to need export in PNG or etc. So I want to save it in GPG. Use it as you need it in good quality, or in what I'm need in good quality, so I will click on it. Okay, and then download it, so it will be download, and your work is done.